everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and today I will be eating some pizza and a little bit of garlic noodles. Last night we went to Piology. It's a build your own pizza restaurant and we had some leftovers, so I'm gonna have that today for lunch. Okay, so this one right here, this was Ariel's leftover pizza. It has Alfredo sauce. I think it has salami, pepperoni, pepperoncinis, mushrooms, and I think that's it actually. There's 2 slices of that. And then that was my leftover pizza. It has just regular marinara sauce, red onions, pepperoni, chicken, mushrooms, and garlic. Oh, and this one also has cilantro and red onions. And then here's what the garlic noodles look like. This is also just leftover from the kids' lunch today. I have some ranch here for my pizza. I just have a little bit. If I need more, I have the big one. And I also have pepper flakes. I'm gonna put some pepper flakes on the pizza. What do you guys like to get on your pizza? I normally always put pineapple on my pizza, but I don't know, yesterday I wasn't really feeling the pineapple. And then to drink, I have a Corona. I'm gonna try the white pizza first. This was Ariel's. It's really good with the Alfredo sauce. The kids always get the Alfredo sauce with the chicken and bacon, grilled chicken and bacon. This is really good. I wasn't sure if I would like it with the cilantro and the pepperoncinis, but it's actually really good. Let's try these garlic noodles. So good. It's very garlicky. So good though. These noodles came from Fire Wings. I haven't been to Piology in a really long time actually. Maybe like 2 years. And their crust is different now. It's a little bit thicker. Their crust used to be super thin. But now it's a little bit thicker, so I like it. And then you can also get one that's like thicker. Okay. So good. What are your favorite toppings for pizza? I like any toppings. Yesterday we went shopping at the outlets out here, and I actually got this jacket yesterday at the Ebates outlet. It was such a good deal. They're normally $65 and they were on sale for $39, and then they were buy one get one half off. So Ariel and I got one, each of us, so really good deal. We paid $64 for both of them. I just heard someone saying hello. Anyways. Do you guys like the crust? I love the crust, but I don't know if I'm gonna eat the crust today, like eat all of it. It's pretty thick. So after I finish eating, I have to start cooking. I'm gonna be making kare kare, and I'm also filming the recipe for it, so if you guys wanna see that, it actually will be up, I think tomorrow, the day after this video. This pizza with the cilantro is really good, you guys. I love cilantro. And I've never had it on pizza before. I made that worse. I tried to wipe the ranch with my pizza. Oh, there's also artichoke hearts on this one. These noodles are so good. I can't believe it's already Sunday, you guys. The weekends go by so fast. Oh my gosh. I really need another day. Like, I feel like the weekends should be 3 days, because you have Saturday for going out, and then Sunday for doing all your chores, and then we should have Monday off to just rest and relax. But nope. You have to get right back to work tomorrow. So I don't know if you guys follow me on my vlog channel. If you don't, you should definitely subscribe, MelBZ TV. I'll leave the link. But I mentioned that my daughter and I, we want to go to Halloween Horror Nights. And if you don't know me, if you don't know, I'm super scared of scary movies. Like, I don't like watching scary movies. I like the old classics though. I like Friday the 13th and like the Jason movies, Michael Myers, those movies. I really like those. I'm not afraid of those, but the new ones I don't like watching. But For the longest time, I've been wanting to go to Halloween Horror Nights. I have no idea why, because I'm pretty sure I'll be super scared. And my daughter, she loves scary movies and she wants to go to Halloween Horror Nights too. So this year we decided we're gonna go. And I know it's like still super far from now. It's not until October, but I'm already getting super excited. And we're gonna be going with a bunch of friends. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Comment down below if you guys have ever been to Horror Nights at Universal Studios and let me know if you guys liked it. I'm full, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, everyone.